I have a garage door opener called Genie Intellicode. This is the case. The issue that I'm having is when I'm trying to open it up or close it, the door stops stops like that. It doesn't go on fully. Sometimes there's no pattern, it just stops. And I've checked all the sensors here, and on the end they're all good, but for whatever reason when I press the button, it just does that. So what I did is I bought a replacement sensor from eBay, which is, this is the old one here, and that's how I fix my garage door opener problem. Hope this helps. I bought it from eBay. Don't forget to subscribe and like my page. Thank you.